So you struggle with getting strikes on your TikTok clipping videos, and whenever you send in appeals, they do not accept it. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a process that I did this past week because I got my first TikTok strike on a video that hasn't happened to me in quite a while. And if you do not know, I clip for a page called TheFinancial.Clipper. I built it completely from scratch, and essentially I post clips of Caleb Hammer's financial audits on a TikTok account. And as you can see, I post a lot of clips that get a ton of views. I can see right here, this video right here got 544,000 views. This one right here, 400,000 views. And essentially, I get paid per 1,000 views. But some of these videos that are over a minute long can get a violation in the TikTok Creator Fund, which is very frustrating. But this past week, I got a strike on one of these videos. And so I told myself, let's use ChatGPT to make a concise message here to see if it'll actually work. And if you're a TikTok clipper, you can actually use Opus Pro, and it's actually 50% off right now. Essentially, you can take long form content, put it in here, and it'll generate you 30 plus clips that you can post on a TikTok clipping account. I highly recommend it, but there's also free ways you can do this, and that video is up here. So make sure you go check that out. But let's go to ChatGPT and see how exactly we can write a concise message to get a video appealed. All right, so we're in ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you through the exact process that I did when I went through this past week. And so the initial message that I put is, I need to submit an appeal for a TikTok video that got a strike. It got disqualified for low quality. Make this message as detailed as possible and why this violation is a mistake. And in the past for myself, I've made my own messages when putting in appeals for TikTok, and it wasn't 100% or even close to 100%. It was very hit or miss. And so utilizing ChatGPT in this moment can really help you make a concise message and will increase your chances. And so ChatGPT then wrote me a message, a pretty long message actually, just stating everything on how this video is not a strike for this specific issue. And so the official message for this is, I kindly ask that the TikTok moderation team manually review this review to reassess its compliance. I am confident that upon closer inspection, it will be clear that the content meets TikTok's quality and community standards. Thank you for your time and for giving creators like me the opportunity to grow on the platform. I look forward to your response. And essentially, I made a response back and said, make this shorter, but just straight to the point, just so we don't waste time here. And so ChatGPT rewrote a message, and I tried to copy and paste this in there, but it actually said for the appeal message, it has to be a max of 500 characters. So that's what I told ChatGPT. And so this is the official message that I submitted, and it's, I'm appealing the low quality strike on my video. This content is original, filmed in HD, professionally edited, and includes clear audio and captions. It follows the TikTok guidelines and was receiving strong engagement. I believe this was flagged in error and respectfully request a manual review. Thank you. And I use that message, and I'll have the screenshot up here, and this appeal got overturned, and now my account doesn't have this strike anymore. And so for all of us TikTok clippers, this can be a very frustrating thing, because if we get 5 strikes within 30 days, then we lose all of our money from the last month's earnings. And that is extremely frustrating, because that happened to me like 4 times within this past year. But from now on, when I put an appeal message into TikTok, I'm going to be doing this exact process, whether I'm getting a strike for security issues, unoriginal content, any other issues that there may be. Try this out, guys, because this is going to be your best chance to override the TikTok algorithm and to get this strike away in your account, because we do not want that whatsoever. And so I really hope this is helpful to all of you watching this video. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm still putting a lot of clips out for this finance account, and I made over $2,000 this past month, which is honestly insane. And so I'm going to keep grinding on this, and of course every video that I put out is not over a minute long, because I post so many clips, and the more clips you post over a minute, then of course the more chances you're going to get strikes. So I really just try to post 1 to 2 1-minute plus clips a day. Everything else, if I wanted to post 5 clips a day, is under a minute, just so the account gets more reach. But yeah, that's exactly my process, and I've had a ton of luck this past month with generating a lot of views from Caleb Hammer's financial audits. But yeah, this is the exact process. Try it out for yourself, and let me know down below in the comments if you have luck with this. TikTok usually gets back to you in 1 to 2 business days, and you'll see if your appeal gets overturned. And I wish you the best of luck, because that happened to myself. And I also have a free Discord community in the description down below that you can check out. Essentially, if you have any questions regarding clipping or making money online in general, we all can help each other out. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.